Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and ask your questions in the comments section below. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with cleaning my criminal record. Criminal attorney, Manteca. Record clearance, Manteca. Attorney, Manteca. Let's see here. I had several crimes in my youth, 1995, 2005, major crimes, and one lesser crime in 2010. Is it necessary to clean my record? Well, cleaning your record helps you for employment, housing, insurance, that sort of thing. Sometimes for getting loans. For the purposes of getting a job primarily, yeah, I think it's a good idea to get your record cleared. Do you have to do it? No. But when you have criminal convictions on your record, on your job application, they're going to ask you, do you have criminal convictions? And you're going to have to say yes. You're probably not going to get the job over somebody else who doesn't have convictions, even if he's less qualified than you. This is how it goes. So it's probably a good idea for employment purposes at the very least, and for housing, insurance, and borrowing money. It's probably a good idea to do it. Do you have to do it? No. Now here's the deal. It says right here you were convicted in 1995 and 2005 of serious crimes, and then in 2010 of a misdemeanor or lesser crime, let's just say. Well, I need to know a little bit more about the serious crimes. How serious were they? And also I need to know, did you go to prison? Because if you went to state prison for any of those offenses you cannot expunge. You could only get them pardoned by the governor of the state, which is like a lottery. It almost never happens. But if you did not go to state prison for these crimes, and if you did not violate probation for any of these offenses, in this case 1995, 2005, and then 2010, if none of these were violations of probation, the answer is yes. As long as you paid all your fines and did everything that the court told you to do, any schools or whatever, then yes, you could definitely do expungements of your 3 cases. When you do expungements, first an attorney has to write a motion, and then it needs to be submitted to the court. Then the judge is going to need some time to look over your case and to verify whether or not you've lived a clean life since your last offense. And if they see that you have no new arrests since your last offense, then generally speaking, a judge will sign an order that basically states convictions set aside, not guilty plea entered, charges dismissed, so that it doesn't affect you for housing, employment, insurance, and borrowing money in the future. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who got accused of selling heroin to people with mental problems. Criminal attorney, Manteca. Attorney, Manteca. Record clearance, Manteca. Expungement, Manteca.